Hi guys and welcome to a new video. This time I'm gonna be taking a look at this Romanian made Nokia phone. So I have received it as is and it's not powering it up. So I'm gonna try charging it and see if it works. Alright, I have grabbed my charger and now let's see if it charges. Alright, this is a good sign. So I'm gonna let it charge a little bit and see what happens next. Alright, so the phone has charged for a little bit. Let's see if we have anything now. Right, no scene, but we have a short demo here. Okay, so all I'm gonna do, I think I'm gonna clean this and test it out, see if everything works. As far as I saw, for the moment there is some sticky stuff down here, so I'm gonna have to clean it. So let me grab what I need and I'm gonna start disassembling the phone. Alright, so with the cleaning complete, I forgot to show you guys here the model. I hope you can see. It says here made in Romania. Right, so I'm gonna put the battery back, the back cover, and power it up. Right, so it works. Okay, everything works. So this was it for today. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. See you next time.